Hello duckies, Andy Lippy here. I'm going to show you Mac users how to install OBS plugins so you can unlock some out of this world features. Make sure you crack that like button and subscribe and put your rocket for the stone. Installing the plugins is actually really easy, and most of them work for both Intel and Apple Silicon users. I know for a fact pretty much all of Exeldro's plugins work for both chipsets. To find a plugin, just jump to the OBS website and look through the plugin page. I'll leave the link in the description. Just search down the list of plugins until you see one you like the sound of. I'll be using my all-time favorite plugin, Exeldro's Move Transition OBS plugin. Once on the plugin page, you can see what the supported platforms are, so you will know if it is available for macOS. Once happy, just press download on the right, then select the macOS version. Once downloaded, just double-click the zip file to extract it. You will then be greeted by a few different package files. You can either select the ARM64 version for the new Apple Silicon Macs, the x86_64 version for Intel Macs, and if you're not sure, you can select the Universal package. It will say the file cannot be opened. Don't worry, this is just a macOS security measure. Exeldro is a trusted OBS plugin developer, but isn't Apple signed. The software is safe though. To get macOS to open the package file, go to System Preferences, then press Privacy and Security, then scroll down. Underneath the heading Security, you will see a box saying plugin name was blocked from use because it is not from an identified developer. Just press Open anyway. It will then prompt you for your admin password, then select Open. The package file will then open and you can just run through the installation process. It should be fine to just hit next, next, next. Then it's up to you if you want to delete the package after installation. Now open up.
Could you try again?
Now open up OBS. You won't really see any difference straight away, but if you check for the particular plugin you installed, you should see it. For the Move Transition plugin, it adds various source filters and scene transition. I'll just create a blank color source here for testing. Now if I right click the scene and press filters, you will see the options for Move Action, Move Source, Move Value, and Move Transition Override. This is how I know the plugin is installed correctly. I'll add the Move Source filter to test everything out. I'll move the color source to a different position, then press Get Transform on the filter. I will then move the color source to a different location, then add another Move Source filter. Press Get Transform. Then now each time I press the filter enable eye, it will move the source. We can also test another filter too. I'll click the color source, add filter, select Move Value, leave the filter and move value types as default. Then I can select the setting. I'll choose color, set it to red, change the duration to 2 seconds. Now, when I press the filter enable eye, it will slowly transition the color source to red over 2 seconds. Right, if you aren't seeing the plugin you installed, in OBS on the top bar, you can press help, then log files, then view current log. This will bring up a small text box that will show the entire log of OBS during this instance. If you scroll down a little, you will see a section called Loaded Modules. This will highlight all of the OBS plugins that have initialized. Looking slightly higher, it will let you know if something has failed to load and the reason why. If you are unsure why it hasn't loaded correctly, you can share this log file with the plugin dev or seek support on the OBS forums or Discord. As you can see, OBS plugins are so powerful and can unlock some incredible possibilities to take your streams, online courses, or whatever the heck you're using OBS for to the next level. If you want to see more about different OBS plugins, then get subscribed and have a poke around my channel. I can guarantee you will not be disappointed. You can start by checking out this video about Move Transition and my OBS plugins playlist just here. Catch you over there, put your rocket for the stone.